Garuda Express, an international courier service. రమణశ్రీ ఆర్ట్స్ బ్యానర్ పై అశోక్ రెడ్డి గుమ్మకొండ, రమణశ్రీ మరియు రవీందర్ సంయుక్తంగా నిర్మిస్తున్న చిత్రం ప్రేమతో మీ కార్తీక్. ఈ చిత్రానికి సంబంధించిన ఫస్ట్ లుక్ ని వరంగల్ నిట్ కాలేజ్ లో ఆవిష్కరించారు. హీరో కార్తికేయ మాట్లాడుతూ, నేను నటుని అవ్వడానికి ఈ కాలేజ్ పాత్ర కూడా ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే నేను 3 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ ఇక్కడే కంప్లీట్ చేశాను. వరంగల్ నాకు ప్రతిదీ నేర్పింది. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న భవానీ థియేటర్, రామ్ లక్ష్మణ్ థియేటర్, సుప్రభా హోటల్ వీటితోనే 80% గడిపాను. ఓ 10% షార్ట్ ఫిల్మ్స్ తీసేవాడిని, ఇంకో 5-6% క్లాస్లో ఉండేవాడిని, అది అటెండెన్స్ కోసం అంటూ తన అనుభవాల్ని పంచుకున్నారు. ఇక సినిమా విషయానికి వస్తే, నేను ఈ సినిమా గురించి చాలా కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా చెప్పగలను. ఇది ఖచ్చితంగా ఎవరిని డిసప్పాయింట్ చేయదు, అందరూ చూడదగ్గ సినిమా అని అన్నారు.
Hi guys. So how did you like the poster? Good? Can I have some sound please? Thank you. So yeah, this is my debut movie.
Yeah, mine too.
I'll come to you. So yeah guys, this is my debut movie and in the case of movies, this is my debut movie, but then to be there, to have a poster on my name, this college and this ground, this stadium, the auditorium and that sack made me go into that poster. Because I had the dream of being an actor right from my childhood, but then only after coming into NITW, I understood that I could actually make it after I got the encouragement from here. This auditorium taught me, the student activity center taught me, the coffee day taught me, the Amul taught me, the 1K, the 1.8K. Most importantly, LH taught me. Waiting outside the LH taught me. Bhavani Theatre taught me. Asian Mall taught me. Ram Lakshman Theatre taught me. Subedari taught me. And what's the bookstall? Zubair. I remember all, but bookstall, it's little difficult, man, to remember. Avani chappakurdu. Tara, Victoria, landmarks, Suprava. Those things are not to be said because elders in Narikada. Bhavani also. Yeah. And 80% of my time I spent in all this, I was spent in all the names I mentioned. 10% in making my short films. And I guess, yeah, remaining 5 to 6% in my classrooms for attendance. Right guys, so all this made me, see, coming into college, I don't know how much I learned my academics, how much I learned my, I got my engineering degree, I completed my convocation, guys, I got my degree. Jokes apart, seriously, when I came to the college today, I did not think anyone will remember me. Because it's been 3 years, I guess nobody will remember me. I thought I need to introduce myself, but then the welcoming I got here, when I was promoting in the auditorium, the response I got, and actually with I thought I should introduce myself with a phone call when I thought I'll come for the promotion, but with just one phone call, the Spree team immediately, Sandeep from Spree team and my own replacement, my D&D junior Sandeep, who is Gensec right now, all these people immediately responded to me, and the way they helped me, it's really touching, guys. And one more thing I should mention is, I did not come to this college for as a hero for promoting my movie. This college gave birth to the actor in me. So I am basically the son of this college. I've just come to ask help from my mother. I've come to ask help from my mother to help his child put his first footstep, because I think it's a blessing for me that I got this opportunity of launching my movie First Look in my own college, which made me. I think nothing can be better than I can't have a better start. And now, actually, after all of us write JEE, I mean, for our time it was IIEEE and IIT. Obviously, who doesn't get into IIT goes into IIEEE, right? So initially when we come into NIT Warangal, it's because we did not get IITs and stuff. But now I'll say, if I had an option of going into IIT Bombay or even MIT or anywhere in this world, it can't be better than NIT Warangal. So guys, I'm not asking you to watch my movie and stuff. I'm just here to share my happiness with you, to share that I have come here as a proud son to show that what all I have done here, that did not go waste. My attendance bunks did not go waste, because most of the time I was in SAC. So my proxies did not go waste. I have made something out of it, and this is our movie. I know I have been talking from a long time, but I could see all the guys staring here. Right? I could see all the guys staring here, and it was like...
Girls are looking at me. So.
No, girls are supposed to look at me.
So boys are supposed to look at me.
So I've seen all the heads trying. ఎంతసేపు మాట్లాడుతావురా పక్కన పిల్లని మాట్లాడి మాట్లాడిస్తా. So this is our beautiful heroine Simrat. It's her debut movie too, and she's probably of your age only. She's just 19 years. So boys try చేయాలంటే చేసేసుకోవచ్చు మీ ఏజ్. I'm saying they can hit on me because they are of the same age. So even it's her debut movie too. She is not from this place. She is from Bombay.
I don't speak Telugu,
So she can't speak Telugu.
Is Hindi okay? Hindi.
So start.
मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं अभी तक कार्तिक ने क्या बोला स्टोरी के बारे में. So guys, कैसा लगा पोस्टर? Amazing. और कार्तिक के बारे में क्या है? कार्तिक कैसा है? अच्छा है भी नहीं? I don't know. I'm short of words right now. I'm too small. मैं बहुत छोटी हो गई, मुझे पता नहीं इसे क्या बोलूँ यहाँ पर. I'm the same age, so I can't say more big speeches and all that.
And so girls, I'm already into movies, so if anyone's interested, you can contact me.
Oh.
My number is the same number when I was a Gen Sec here, so girls can contact me for that. And a basic guy, I have got many chances to act in a small roles or something in between in these 3 years. But then the only reason I was waiting for the best thing is, the only thought that came to my mind is, no, with my product, my NIT Warangal should be proud. And now I can proudly say I'm with this movie Premato Me Karthik, and I'm sure I'm gonna make you proud. And finally, once I would like to call upon the stage my crew, my director Rishi. So he is my guru, my director, who made this possible, who found the talent in me, who nurtured me, who taught me, and who made me go into that poster. So I'll be really thankful and indebted to him all my life. And this is producer of a movie. Paisa lagaya. So So he's my director, he's my producer, and that's my heroine. And finally, Premato, me, Karthik.
హాయ్ యోయో వ్యూవర్స్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసేటప్పుడు అక్కడ ఉండే గంట సింబల్ను ప్రెస్ చేయడం మర్చిపోవద్దు.